Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to study another topic, and that is the GV Black classification of the carious lesion. Now this classification is very important because whenever in the clinic you're going to make a cavity on a carious tooth, you should know the classification, that what is going to be the shape and what are the features to be kept in mind, and all this was described by Dr. GV Black in his classification, and that is what we are going to study together. So if you see, who is Dr. G.V. Black? Now Dr. G.V. Black, whose full name is Green Vardhaman Black, was commonly known as G.V. Black and is known as the founder of the modern dentistry in the United States. Commonly we say him to be the father of operative dentistry. So many times you can get this as a question by the examiner, that who is the father of operative dentistry, and you should know his name. He was Dr. G.V. Black. Now he gave total 6 classification. He gave 6 classes, class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this 6 classes, he told you that what are going to be the different kind of shape and features in different kind of caries. So looking to the first class, that is class 1. Class 1 describes that the restoration of the occlusal surface of premolars and molars. Now imagine, with all your senses open, I want you to imagine what I'm saying. For example, this is your molar, okay? Consider this to be your first molar, okay? For example, this is tooth number 4, 6. Now, if the patient comes with you and is having caries on the occlusal surface only, on the occlusal surface of the molar, then you're going to make class 1 cavity in that particular tooth. Now, this class 1 is going to be for molars and premolars which are having caries on the occlusal surface. Secondly, it is going to be restoration of occlusal 2/3 of facial and lingual surface of the molar. If the caries have extended to the facial and the lingual surface of the molar, then you're going to do it on that surface. Next, restoration of lingual surface of maxillary incisors. Okay, in maxillary incisors, you can see this is a maxillary incisors. And the maxillary incisors on the lingual surface, if the caries are present, then you're going to do this particular class 1 type of cavity preparation in that case. Now lingual surface, I know you all know this, towards the tongue, okay? Moving ahead, this is how the cavity shape is going to look like. So this is basically on a 3/6. This is the first molar, and here you can see the shape of the cavity. It is just on the occlusal surface, okay? It is not reaching to the proximal surface or any other surface. It is only comprising of the occlusal surface of the teeth. So whenever the caries are on the occlusal surface, you're going to make class 1 caries, class 1 cavity there. And on class 1 cavity, you can see this is the shape of how you're supposed to make the cavity on a molar. You have to make it as per the grooves which are made on the molar, okay? You have to go with the design. For example, if it was in molar, the cavity shape would have been like this. And by the way, when you do this in the patient, you also have to keep in mind where the caries is being extended. For example, you have the caries here, and just because I'm telling you that you have to keep in mind the grooves, you don't remove this particular part, will not help, okay? You have to remove every part of caries on the occlusal surface. Moving ahead to class 2. Now class 2 is mainly comprising of restoration on the proximal surface of posterior teeth. Here also we talk about the molars and premolars, but now we are talking about the proximal surface. If the caries are there on the proximal surface of the teeth, then you're going to do class 2 cavity preparation. Now you can see in this class 2 cavity preparation, the first thing you did was class 1. Now you have extended the class towards the proximal surface, because here the caries were on the proximal surface of the tooth. So here you make a special kind of seat, and this is said to be the gingival seat, okay? You prepare a gingival seat here, and this seat is being prepared just because of amalgam preparation. You know, amalgam or any other restorative material, it needs this kind of gingival seat. You're removing the proximal caries from this side, and so you prepare this kind of seat here. Now coming to the class 3 caries. Class 3 caries are mainly the restoration of the proximal surface again, but here we are talking about the anterior teeth. So restoration of proximal surface of the anterior teeth that do not involve the incisal angle. Now what do you say this to be the incisal angle? This particular area, okay? So it is not involving the incisal angle, and the restoration is only done on the proximal surfaces of the anterior teeth, not involving the incisal angle. This is very important to be kept in mind. Learn these definitions of these classes as it is. They are going to be asked as it is, okay? If somebody asks you that what is class 3 cavity preparation, you have to tell it is restoration of proximal surface of anterior teeth that does not involve the incisal angle. So you can see the class 3 lesions here, or the class 3 cavity preparation. We have only involved the proximal surface. The cavity is being prepared only on the proximal surface here, and we have not involved the incisal angle. Moving ahead with class 4. Now class 4 is very much related to class 3 only. Here also the restoration is done on the proximal surface of the anterior teeth, but here we are going to involve the incisal edge. So the incisal edge here is going to be involved. The incisal angle was not involved in the previous case, but here the incisal edge and angle are going to be involved. So you can see this is how class 4 lesions are. Whenever you get a patient with this kind of case, that his tooth is being fractured from this particular area, from the incisal edge area, then you're going to do the class 4 cavity preparation, and this is how you're supposed to restore the teeth. Now you see when it is broken from the edge. Okay. So moving ahead with class 5. Class 5 is very easy. Whenever you're doing the restoration on the gingival third is always towards the cervix. Okay. So whenever you're doing the restoration from the gingival third on the facial or the lingual surface of all the teeth, all the incisors, molars, premolars, everything, whenever it is on the gingival region, then you're going to say it to be the class 5 preparation. Normally the class 5 preparations are the restorations are done with either GIC or composite. Okay, we do not use amalgam in these cases. These are the class 5 lesions. So you can see it is on the gingival third. Here also it is on the gingival third. Now all the teeth are coming under this class, and this is how it looks like. So most commonly you see this in case of abrasion. Okay, in case of tooth abrasion, you can see these kind of lesions, and here you are supposed to make class 5 cavity and then restore it. Moving ahead with class 6. Class 6 is very rare, but also can be seen as a case. Now here we are doing restoration of the incisal edge of anterior teeth. So for example, here this is only the molar, but for example you have a incisor here. Okay. Now in case of anterior teeth, if the incisal edge is being restored, then it is said to be class 6. Also, if there is the occlusion cusp height of posterior teeth which is to be restored, then it comes under class 6. So whenever you do the incisal edge restoration of anterior teeth or the occlusion cusp of height of the posterior teeth, only the prominent features, the occlusal cusp or incisal edge. Okay. Now you see here in this case, only the occlusal heights is being suffering from caries. Now these are the class 6 lesions. Okay, only the occlusion cusp height has been affected. There is no caries in the whole tooth, but only here we have the caries. And whenever we are talking about the high points of the teeth, then it is going to come under class 6. So these were all the classes of GV Black. Now you always have to keep the form in your mind, that how you're supposed to make the caries and what surface are to be covered in which class. Now class 1 you see only about the occlusion. Class 2, when the proximal surface is involved and you're supposed to make a gingival seat in these cases. Class 3, when the proximal surface of anterior teeth are to be restored without involving the incisal angle. Class 4 is when you are making the restoration on the proximal surface of anterior teeth will involve the incisal edge. Now coming to class 5, whenever gingival third of facial or lingual surface of all teeth are affected. And class 6 are mainly of the occlusal cusp height. Okay, only the high points are being affected by caries, and that to be restored. Now these were all the classes of GV Black. I hope the video was useful to you. Share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.